It's Saturday. 7 days from now, ideally what I'd like to be doing is racing fall nationals. Let's see. See what happens. So, made a little pit stop at Top Secret, pick up fuel, and of course always get sidetracked. Now I gotta watch this RX-7 get dynoed. Beautiful. All right, yo, what time is it? All right, it's 1:30. 1:30 and we're done. We're loaded up, ready to get out of here. Obviously a bit of help from, you know, the homie. Yo.
What's up, bro?
So burning the midnight oil, but this makes our lives 10 times easier tomorrow. So let go. Here, training was tested, it seems to work. Time to get suited and booted and go make a pass. All right, good morning. So, nice little early start. It's 7:55 in the morning and it's race day. So today is all qualifying. The plan is, yesterday, by the way, was like pretty successful. It was nice to get some actual like data and, you know, some good input. Car went 9:30 back to back. I'm happy with that. So all I want to do today is pretty much just turn up the boost and just enjoy it. So we're gonna get to qualifying in a little bit. I'm gonna change the plugs. There she is, all covered up. So we'll, it's a nice little silhouette, isn't it? Nice. So yeah, let's do it. This is what we did. This is what we planned for. This is what we spent all this money for. It's to get here and have a blast, right? So let's do it. Hear that? It's the sound of my people. So what you're about to see is literally what the announcers have been calling a Cinderella moment the entire weekend. This is crazy. I'm a little bit of a nervous wreck, I ain't gonna lie. I'm always a little nervy before any pass, but I'm also just completely ready to fucking send it. So let's go. Round 1 of eliminations. I got the fastest car in the class. And I think honestly our cars are probably we're on the same level. So let's do it. Let's do it. Come on, baby. Cooperate with me. Cooperate with me, baby. So yeah, fastest car in the class right now. This is how the Lord would have it on this nice Sunday, I guess, right? So we're gonna hopefully put on a show. Yeah.
It's all about having fun.
Exactly.
Having a good time. He's a hell of a driver.
No.
Don't lie to these people. These people don't know us. You can tell them the truth.
He's a good driver.
All right, man. Let's see how this goes. Let's see. Holy fuck. Yo, I think my AC compressor is broken.
That's what
Wow!
He might already won. Thanks, Sam.
Wow!
Damn, man.
How you doing? What are we at? 27?
26.85.
Okay. Alright. I got you. Holy.
Nah, he's good, so.
Bro, that was a fucking hell of a race. I looked to my right and I saw you. I was like, oh shit.
Damn, I took the fuck out of second, man, because I seen your car out front and I was like, yeah.
Did I leave first?
You're good.
We left together?
You can leave it right here, man. You're good.
What was the RT?
You got 112, I got 113.
Wow.
Congrats.
We got Harry Sparks in the final.
We did that shit. This is the team I assembled while I was here. I have a team of Mazda men and women. Apologies. I mean, thank you, big thank yous. Thank you, everybody. I appreciate you heavily. Came out here and we did that shit. Wow. I'm really reflecting right now. I'm still at the track, just cleaning up and doing some last minute stuff. I gotta go to work tomorrow, which is crazy, but I don't even know what to say. I mean, this is honestly amazing. It's amazing. You know, after everything I've been through the last 2 weeks and beyond, it's pretty wild to kind of just come all the way out here, spend 3 days here, have the car literally get better and better and better every single pass, just about. And for the most part, issue free. It doesn't really get better. It really doesn't get better than this. I mean, I'm sure it does, but this is where it's at. This is what it's all about. This is really what it's all about. So yeah. Subscribe, follow don't forget, dream, keep dreaming big. You never know what's gonna happen. Don't quit. Don't ever quit. This is a perfect example showing you why you don't ever quit. You know, keep your goals high and motivation high, negativity low, and you'll always win. Take care.